Ya bafethu ngisathi ngisajabulela amajida iBafana Bafana yavele yahluleka-ke namhlanje. You know what? Today was an interesting match. Today I feel like the coach did very good, but the players were just not on par. You see, there was a certain momentum swing that was going towards South Africa, especially in that first half, midway. Momentum swung towards South Africa. If you pay attention, some of those loose balls they were supposed to finish, some of those aerial crosses they were supposed to make accurately, and some of those passes were meant to be 100% more accurate. Second half, things looked better. Things looked a whole lot good. But the problem is they just kept on missing the target. They missed the targets over and over again. I think Usipho Mbule needs to regain his confidence because he's doing well. He was doing amazing. But somewhere along the line, the frustration got to him and he started to make a lot of mistakes. By the way, he was cooking in that first half. He was destroying the Zimbabwean players. Did you see the way he created that chance in the 25th minute? Yeah, man. The Zimbabwean players were cooked. Kama Billiard, nowhere to be seen. They kept him quiet. Divine Lunga was exceptional. Arubi was exceptional. Man, he made save after saves. But still, man, South Africa could have won this match. Kota should not have exited that match. Ngalesikhathi exite ngayo. I feel like he should have played the entire match, but then hey, coach made his decision. He decided to change and put Lomutu Amfagile, even though he offered us no value whatsoever. If I had to make changes, I would have made changes with defense and Farama forward. Ukuze wonke umuntu ezophushe phambili. Why would you change forwards? Why would you remove uLokhunja u-Osuna Police ekubeni esebenze yanga create ama-chance amaningi kanje uyabona nje. Those are some few mistakes here and there, but yeah, the game is still alive. It's not over until God says it's over, as Ulinda Spear would say. Kubonga kakhulu bafethu, ngizonibona next time. Ciao.